All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing as the last video for Redbaru, but for this one, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go dry. I'm not gonna use a hose to clean up Redbaru, so I'm just gonna brush dirt, then with a damp towel, with some apple cider vinegar, with some all-purpose cleaner. I'm gonna wipe it down, and then I'm gonna dry it off. I have like no plastic in here, so I might use my plastic, my hyper dressing on this piece, and then that one piece over there, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, so let's do this cleaning. It's not that dirty. It doesn't really get all that dirty. Here we go. So I'm gonna start with just a brush. I'm gonna just, oh, it's still kind of wet. I'm gonna just brush through it, knock anything loose. I'm gonna do this to the whole car. Well, I'm not doing the whole car, just the engine bay. But that's done. That took like 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna hit it. I guess I'll hit it with the all-purpose cleaner, just a little bit damp. Just that much, and I'm literally gonna use it for the entire car. I'll fast forward. It's a little bit dirtier than expected, so I sprayed a little bit in a few spots, and I'm gonna just quickly mop that up. So she was a little bit dirtier than expected. I hit up most of the main parts here. She could use a hose just to get to some of the dust that I can't really reach, but for the most part, it looks a lot better. I left some water down there. I'm gonna go dry that up. I'm not gonna use any hyper dressing because it's not worth it to me for like these two pieces. So yeah, that's it. I just dusted and then lightly wash it with a little bit of apple cider, with a little bit of all-purpose cleaner. Diluted, I think it's like 1 to 12, so it's very light, and it did the job. All right.